we discuss about the arithmetic means. First part is arithmetic mean between the two terms. Now, second part is an arithmetic mean between the two terms. It means first part that is arithmetic mean between the two terms, but second part is an arithmetic mean between the two terms. First part that is arithmetic mean between the two terms. It means I just suppose the two terms are that is A and B, and I want to insert one arithmetic mean between them. Suppose A is the arithmetic mean between the two terms that is A and B. It means this sequence is given in AP. Therefore, you know already if the sequence is in AP, in that case the difference between the two consecutive terms will be equal. Because of this, the difference of A minus capital A minus small a is equal to that is B minus capital A, and this is equal to 2A that is A plus B. It means capital A is equal to A plus B by. This is the arithmetic mean between the two terms. But suppose in questions the conditions are given like that: A, B, C are in AP. In that case, you can use this, that is 2 times of B is equal to A plus C. This is the condition for AP. Suppose the two terms are given 2 and 8. And if you want to find the arithmetic mean between these two terms, in that case you can use the formula capital A is equal to A plus B by 2. But A is given that is 2 and B is given 8. It becomes 2 plus 8 by 2, that is 5. This is the arithmetic mean between 2 and 8. Now the second part, that is an arithmetic mean between the two terms. If the two terms are A and B, and I want to insert an arithmetic mean between the terms that is A and B, it means A1 is the first arithmetic mean, A2 is the second arithmetic mean, A3 is the third arithmetic mean, and last is AN. Because of this, sequence is in AP, but for this AP, A is the first term and B is the last term, but the total number of terms in this sequence is n plus 2, because you know already we are inserting an arithmetic mean and two terms A and B. The total number of terms will be n plus 2. But suppose if you want to find A1, A2, A3, in that case first of all we have to find the difference of this AP. Because of this, I use the formula L is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. But L is given B, first term is A, and n is given n plus 2. N plus 2 minus 1 into D. Then B is equal to that is A plus n plus 1 into D. Then the difference is B minus A upon n plus 1. This is the difference of this sequence that is in AP. Now we have to find A1, A2, A3, but you know already A1 is the second term of this sequence, A2 is the third term of this sequence, and A3 is the that is fourth term of this sequence. Then if you want to find A1, in that case you can use A1 that is the second term of that sequence. Because of this, A1 becomes A plus D. A plus D is given B minus A upon n plus 1. This is the A1. Suppose if you want to find A2, in that case that is A plus 2D, because this is the third term of that sequence. Therefore, A plus 2 into B minus A upon n plus 1, A2. And but if you want to find AN, it means A plus ND, that is A plus n into difference that is B minus A upon n plus 1. This is the nth arithmetic mean between the two terms, but this is the method to insert n arithmetic mean between the two terms.